It's time. It's finally time to unbox what has arrived. Oh, I'm upgrading, folks. This crate just arrived. I'm finally getting nice 3D archery targets back on the farm. Some of my 3D archery targets kind of suck. They were cheap. So the ladies are unboxing today and they're getting everything out. And we're finally going to build a brand new 3D range on the farm that's not cheesy and stupid like our previous one. So we've got Reinhart here, and we're getting everything kind of organized in the shop, and we'll get them put together. And I'll show you what came in. They're really nice. I'm very pleased at this. We did set them up with NASP stands, so the national archery school program stands. So that way we could use this for 4-H too, which is really nice. I took all my used 3D targets and was able to sell them pretty cheap and get them off the farm. I gave one deer away, but all the rest of them I was able to sell. And here it is. We've got some of these. So we got a beaver. Isn't that cool? He's, chewing on wood, which is great. He's got a nice kill zone on him. I love it. A couple smaller ones that we had, we did a rabbit too. A kitty cat. You got your coyotes. I got the little bear, the 1/3 scale bear, which is nice. Got him on the stand here. He fits good. He holds up well. This is exactly what I want, so I don't have to go in the ground and bang rebar in every time I want to put a target up. I can just take them out. These are blemished a little bit, but it makes them more affordable. Here's one of the deer. I'm just pushing on it to see how much it takes. I'm pushing fairly hard. It's doing really well. I'm quite impressed with how the stand seems to be holding up. These stands are adjustable, which is nice. And here's the what would be the mountain goat or a sheep? I guess it'd be ram. It'd be a ram. And again, the blemish on the insert, it didn't paint right for him. It's okay. I don't mind. I don't mind that as long as the foam holds up better than the other ones. Hate to be mean, but the Fleet Farm specials were nothing but junk. I've got an antelope. Oh, I love antelope hunting. It's one of my favorite huntings to do. So, put that sucker on. The heads all go on great. The antlers go on well. This is excellent, excellent. I'm very, very pleased with how things have gone together. Like I said, these things are all adjustable. They just slide on these posts. Here you go. Got the kitty cat going right now, which is great. It's looking excellent. Let's see. Get this one here stood up on its stand. Here. Nice tail. Foam is rock hard. That is the Wolverine, I believe. Then we got the pandas and the rabbit all set up. And then again, looking here at the back of, I think this is considered the fox or wolf, whatever it is. And then we got another one here that I got to get opened up yet. They all came packaged in individual boxes if they were bigger. And if they weren't bigger, they were in one great big box. Oh, this is the, I don't know, wild boar or whatever you call it. There was no damages to the foam really on these. It was all just cosmetic paint. So they reduced the price a little bit for some cosmetic paint. And some of the inserts may not have fit perfect, but gosh, they're in and they're in tight. Here's another one. This is the mule deer, this one. I just got to put the horns on it and it'll be ready to go. So let's see if I get that pulled out and we'll get a stand on that one. There we go. That's the muley that we get to shoot at. So I got a deer, I got a muley, got an antelope, got a ram. This is the 1/3 moose. Again, it's hard to put all this stuff on one-handed when you're running a camera. But we did get a 1/3 moose. And like I said, the bear is in, I think, 1/3 scale too. Otherwise, they'd be monstrous to move around. Look at that. That is pretty cool. So these are all going to go out in the arena for right now because it's, about 18 degrees outside and cold. Trash can panda. I know I put a short out on this. I love trash can pandas. They're kind of a favorite of mine. And this one actually goes on a lid. So I bought a plastic lid so it can't damage arrows if we hit it. And I put it on. I put out a little short on this. Oh, maybe a week or so back when I first got it. I love the idea of having a trash can panda. Put a couple great big leg screws into him. And he's completely fastened to the trash can lid. And now I've got a trash can panda. I absolutely love it. It's just kind of a fun one to shoot at. And let's be honest, it's a little trickier. I think all in all, we ended up with a nice set of close to 20 So we should be able to do at least 100 arrow set on these if we can do it on the thing. So we got turkeys, I got the fox, I got the lynx, the rabbit, the wolverine, we got the beaver, we got coons and a trash panda, and we got the boar, we got the small bear, another turkey, we got antelope, we got moose, we got elk. Elk is 1/3 scale too. And there's deer, and then the mule deer. Like I said, if I didn't, the ram was in there too. So this is looking great, folks. I'm really excited to get these on the range. I can tell you just by looking at them, they are so much better than what we've been shooting at that we'd bought from the box stores. There's no plastic legs. The foam is all high, good quality density foam. The heads stay on well. The inserts take a rubber hammer to move them in and out, so they're not just going to fly out when you hit them. I can tell you Reinhart did their homework when they built these. I'm sure I'm going to destroy them after a while, but the 7 of us on the family and the 4-Hers that get to come to my place are absolutely going to love shooting at this 3D range this year. I'm real happy to have this investment back on the farm. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep putting out great videos.